Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change profile picture in Messenger. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So first of all, you'll need to update the Messenger app, and after that open your Messenger app and tap on your profile photo to the top left corner of the screen and tap on your profile photo, and here you will get three options. You can take a photo, you can choose a photo from your gallery, also you can use an avatar. So select any option from here to upload a new photo as your profile photo, and you can crop the photo as well and tap on done and tap on save profile picture, and your profile picture will be changed and your Facebook profile picture will also be updated, and this update will not be shared in feed. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.